We are here along the Mother Road, Route 66, in the heart of Albuquerque at one of our legendary establishments, the Dog House. And we're announcing a project that's going to help revitalize Route 66. And what the city's doing is we're partnering with some of our iconic businesses to rehab their famous signs all up and down Route 66 at 14 different locations. And so this effort is going to be a sign that Route 66 is coming back. And it's all timed with the anniversary, the 100th anniversary of Route 66 coming up in the next few years. So one of the iconic locations right here at the Dog House, this is the sign that we're going to be making look like the cool sign everyone knows with the neon and the wagging tail on the dog. But with more on the history of this incredible place, the owner of the establishment, Mr. Hartley. Tell us a little bit about the Dog House and the sign.
Well, the sign we had the original business when I bought it was on 10th and Central on the back of the lot. The sign was on that original building. In 1969, I lost the lease over there and I had to move over to where we're at now. And I brought that sign with us, and that's basically the original owner had that sign made probably in the 50s. So we've had a very successful business going I've owned it since 1967, and it's been a great place to do business.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much. Look for other signs up and down Route 66 for this project. I also want to share too, this place is amazing, and even in my own experience, my wife and I like to come here before the Lobo games, and it's awesome. Like, everyone here is actually doing the same thing, and it's just a great place to celebrate all that we are in Albuquerque.
I'm Renee Grout, Albuquerque City Councilor for District 9 in the southeast part of Albuquerque. Route 66 is the heart of our city, and the iconic signs that line Central Avenue show the world who we are, who we once were, and who we hope to be. That's why I'm so proud of the revamped Route 66 Sign Improvement Program and the work that the city's Department of Arts and Culture and MRA are doing to bring new life to these classic signs. I'm excited to tell you about one sign that's part of the program on East Central in my district. The one behind me is going to be one that's more than advertising. The owner of the property has chosen to turn this sign into a work of art that will be inspired by the Route 66 Centennial in 2026. So many of these signs are more than advertisements. They define our community and help us find our way. When I was a student commuting to UNM in the 80s, it wasn't the street signs or the mile markers that grabbed my attention. It was the neon signs that showed me I was home. I'm proud to support this sign restoration program. It's just one step in a larger effort to highlight our history and tell the world that this is our home.
So we're really excited about this opportunity for business owners along Central to really celebrate our history along the Route 66 in anticipation for our 100th year celebration of our historic route here in Albuquerque. The Americana is one in District 3. There are several others in other districts, and we're really excited that these people applied and that they're the recipients. We're hoping for more opportunities and more funding for other businesses along the route, but right now we're getting started with several projects in several of the districts. Thank you all who applied to be part of this wonderful program that we're launching. We're really excited to see all the businesses and the signage and the lighting restored and revamped to its heyday, and adding neon along the corridor. So we're excited for not only this and other programs, but we're excited about celebrating the 100th year celebration for the historic route.